Hi there, this is Mariam from InboxAlly, and in this video we're going to talk about how to create and verify your sender email. So a sender email is the email address that you will be sending from. Most of the time these will be multiple if you're sending from multiple email addresses. But whatever the case, let's get started. I am right now inside of the InboxAlly app on the dashboard. And in order to move to creating a new sender email, we just go to the navigation bar here and click Sender Emails. And this is the screen that shows up when you do that. So all you have to do is add a new sender email here. We can see that there's already one in here that is verified. That's the blue tick. And it does not have a corresponding sender profile. Once it has that, this is also going to be blue. But let's just get started on creating a new one. So I'm just going to say Mariam and add email. And here it shows me a cross that says this sender email is unverified. And it says here that we've sent you a verification email. If you don't receive it, click the reset button. If not, contact support. So let's go ahead and check our email. So I'll go to my inbox, and here we've got an email from notifications saying important, verify your email. Greetings from InboxAlly. So I'll just click that, open that up, and it will say greetings, please click the link below or put it in your browser to verify. So I would just click the link, and it takes me back to the InboxAlly app, and it shows me you have successfully verified your email, and takes me to the step of creating a sender profile that's covered in another video. But let's just go back to sender emails just so I can check. And there it is. That's the email I entered. It's now been verified. It's good to go. So the next step, like it showed us before, is to create a corresponding sender profile. So I did want to mention that not all sender emails are going to be set up for inbound email. We get that. So if you have that sort of an email, sender email address, all you have to do is verify the entire domain by adding a .txt record, or you can just reach out directly to customer support and we'll be happy to assist you. I also wanted to mention, once you have verified a sender email from a particular domain, more sender emails from that same domain are not going to require approval again. So if I had like jeff@inboxally.com, I would add that here. It would instantly be verified. So that's a big plus. And that's it. That's how you create and verify a sender email. We hope you learned something. And if you'd like, please check out more how-to videos. Thank you and have a great day.